Let's talk about hiccups and ways to halt them. Hiccups are a result of muscle spasm in your diaphragm. This involuntary action forces a quick intake of breath, abruptly closed by your vocal cords. What causes these spasms? They can occur after eating too quickly, consuming spicy foods, drinking carbonated beverages, experiencing sudden temperature changes, or emotional stress. Now, let's explore how to fight back against these unwelcome intruders. The first trick is to hold your breath. This increases carbon dioxide in your blood, relaxing the diaphragm. Another trick is to eat a spoonful of sugar. The sweet granules on your tongue can stimulate the vagus nerve, interrupting the hiccup cycle. Lastly, sipping cold water slowly can also help by resetting the rhythm of your diaphragm. Say goodbye to hiccups with these simple,